Hello everyone, I'm the automated gap and flush measurement system from STELATO's final assembly workshop. Our job is to make sure every gap on your vehicle meets the strictest standards. We operate with 2 machines simultaneously, inspecting all joints, including body sheet metal, doors, hoods, and more. Using dual-band blue light and ultraviolet detection technology, we can accurately identify seams on the body, trim, and glass, keeping gap errors within 0.05 millimeters, finer than a human hair. So every gap on your car body is uniformly symmetrical and exudes a premium look. There are 60 key inspection points throughout the vehicle. A careful manual inspection takes 30 minutes, but robots can complete it all in just 2 minutes, testing each car with the most efficient and rigorous standards. Many people don't realize that uneven gaps not only look cheap, but are also prone to dust seepage, water leakage, and abnormal noises. It is precisely because of this strict control that every seam on a STELATO is tight and refined, so you don't have to worry about these small issues. This meticulous attention to detail gives you unshakable confidence in STELATO's quality.